Preparing for a trial is much like preparing for a race. You know that when you go in, it's win or lose there. I was taught at a young age when I was in law school. Many professors said, you need hobbies, you need other things in your life. So I get up before work, I get up at 5 every morning, I go out, I meet my team down the street, and we ride. It's a form of meditation, almost like sleep. You're freeing your mind up and you're letting it wander. Like a dream, an issue that you don't even know that you're thinking about, an answer will come to you. The difference with the trial is a show. You're telling your client's story, and you want to make sure that you tell your client's story in a way that convinces the judge, the jury, that your client is deserving of what you're asking. I represent people. I don't represent corporations. I don't represent businesses. I represent individual people in their time of need. I'm a criminal defense and a personal injury lawyer. So you're either hurt or you're about to be charged with a crime when you come to me. People are scared. They think that their life is over and they think that they have nowhere to turn. After I sit down and explain to them what I can do for them and how I can help them, they walk out feeling better. When I was a kid, you could go in the city on your own. For $12, you could get into the Eagles game and watch the drunks fight each other in Veterans Stadium. And afterwards, we would walk up to Gino's and get a steak and then take the bus home. My father was an attorney in Philadelphia. He understood and he taught me an appreciation of the culture of Philadelphia. And there's a certain way that people in this city think and they analyze. They're smart, yet they're pragmatic. And they want that from their attorney. I've spent the last 12 years building up this law firm with the idea that people deserve individual attention. And it was a big deal to build this law firm. I have many staff working for me. I have all the support that I need, but I didn't start that way. I started as a social worker working in North Philadelphia after graduating from Temple University. As a result of that, I got to know Philadelphia very well from the perspective of somebody who walked the streets and took the buses. I learned exactly what the people of Philadelphia had to go through in these neighborhoods, something that a lot of people who grow up to become attorneys don't actually understand and appreciate. You often hear attorneys who have contempt for people who they need to help. Because I worked in the city and advocated for these people as a social worker, I actually understand their problems from a very basic level because I've been in their homes, I've been in their schools, and I know how to sympathize and treat them with respect. At The Philly Lawyers, all of my clients are represented in the best way possible, and that means that they're happy and that they get all of the attention they need. A good lawyer needs to take your calls and to answer all of your questions. You need to feel that somebody's paying attention to you every step of the way. And that means somebody who's willing to put the time in to know your case, to study your case, to listen to your problems, and then to work on your case when you're not there.